What's up, YouTube? I'm Gabe Feltman from the Florida Bass TV. If you guys watch my videos, I'm sure you know who I am. Just want to show you guys kind of what I'm using and what we're doing today. We are going out on the paddle boat, me and my girl, fishing some ponds here in Boynton Beach for some peacock bass. Okay, we're gonna make the intro on the water today. We are in here in Boynton Beach fishing ponds, Pitchin, and hopefully gonna catch some big old bass. Gonna try frog fishing too. Got the Royal Legend with the Spartacus Maximus right here. There he is on the frog. Okay. First fish of the day. On the lunker hunt, pond frog, whatever. Peyton's picking up the rod now. She knows there's fish here. You got one? Peyton! Oh! Reel again. He might. Oh! Peyton's got a big one! Peyton, reel! Oh! Get him! See, I told you this fish in here.
Wait,
oh, he's fighting. I got it. Well, it's such a little hook, they don't like feel this one. That's the fish of the day so far.
Yeah!
It's a big one.
Like,
hold on, Peyton.
No.
Because she's too much of a girl to touch a fish.
Put him back before he dies.
You have to. That's not. She won't even hold you. She caught you. She won't even hold you. She says you're slimy. He's not swimming. Oh, I got one. Oh, it's a big one.
Oh my God.
I got it. No, it's not.
Whatever, it's a fish. It's a medium.
They like this lure though.
What, is that mine?
Yeah, they love your lure. I just like threw a couple casts at it. They fight so hard.
What, you like to leave on there and fight with them?
No, I wasn't trying to break it.
It's okay.
Fish
After
number
your classes, we can still have fun.
5.
Right? We can still have fun for your birthday.
You think I'm stupid for not knowing that?
You don't want screws out of me.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, in the grass. Oh, it's a peacock. It's a peacock.
It's big.
Yes, they are flipping. They're in the grass. I told you. I never thought you could catch peacocks flipping like that. Oh, he's still fighting. He's still fighting really hard. Dang. On the flipping rig. Woohoo. He's kind of an ugly one. But that's what happens when they get under the grass like that. They get like really dark colors. Dang, that's a pretty big one. 2 or 3 pounder. Oh, Peyton's got another one. Again. I should switch up to a jerkbait. She just keeps catching fish. They all look like the same fish. Now, this one's like a little bit bigger than the last one. Hey.
Hey, buddy, don't worry.
It's number 4. Peyton caught 3, I caught 1. You said there's not fish biting. You like take 1 cast and you catch a couple fish. Like, wait until you catch a big one. You're gonna be like so like you ain't gonna be ready. Oh my God, there's so many fish back there. Paragee 2, the 7.4, the Flippin. Got it paired up with the Speed Demon, 65-pound braid, and this thing is gonna be beast. beast. See, I think the peacocks, since it's so cold, they're... Oh! Came off right there. There's so many fish in these roots.
Okay.
Oh! This is probably the biggest largemouth. You hit it in the grass over there. Oh, that's a big one. Dang. Fish are in the deep stuff today. It's cold and they're, I don't know, for some reason when it's cold they get up real shallow and get up in the grass. It's like a 2.5 pounder. Nice fish. It's getting back in the water. Didn't have it on when he bit, but I'm gonna keep it on the camera. Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, it came off. Oh, no way! Right under the sticks. Oh. Oh! There's so many fish on these sticks. Alright, there's gotta be one right here. Watch this. Oh, that one's such a good spot. There's gotta be something. I knew there was one there. Nice little guy. Haven't caught anything much bigger than this all day, but it's always fun catching flippin'. Biggest one we caught today was the Peacock. And for the flippin' rig, we're using the G2. It's the 7.4. I'm gonna show you the rod. This thing is awesome, man. This is my go-to flipping stick all the time. I don't have the lead with me today because I broke off of it, but I was using a 1.5 ounce tungsten with a little BMC flipping hook and just flipping beavers in the grass. My girlfriend was using a KastKing Assassin. I actually have that one with me right here too. I got a Zara Spook on there now, but she was using a little mini jerkbait, and that thing was tearing it up, guys. Anyways, guys, check out my channel and the KastKing channel, and if you want to get your hands on one of these rods, go ahead and check out the links below, and thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.